Hear the wildlife out here in Southwest Florida. You can hear a duck over there. It's not one of those white birds, something else. And then there's those things. Sound like they're from Jurassic Park. I don't think they're the white things either. What's that? Don't worry about that. That was just the pool. We have so many different birds here. And birds that you've never heard anywhere else. I mean, they sound like dinosaurs, some of them. I like the duck. Man, he's going to town over there. I think they might be blue herons. I've seen them up in those trees before. It's kind of freaky at night when you see these things with the moon behind them. It looks like a giant pterodactyl. Some birds just came in for a landing. Look like crows or something. All right, so that's morning here in Southwest Florida. The sounds of the critters.